Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another Lego. This one's also from the dollar store. You see their little marker on it. This one is 31071. It's a 3-in-1. Has 109 pieces. It's called Drone Explorer. Builds into a drone. Looks like it also builds into one of those swamp buggy boats and a plane. So here it is. We're going to build them for you and we'll show you how they do. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.